itum tribal pulam Bihar pen kewang atum tribal atum a political right nang ti job la pen land right nang ti job asik sidul nang sa tip anta itum sentiment ale council lo nang lu job anta piniani anta hang serbang ale non karbiang long pen na so sina sepla non la bangso ke hang mun ser aya anta APHLC atum chola Pini karbiang long social organization ta dolo je Pawan Kumar ke Bihar pen kewa muni da ke election ang thudun long le pini alang le fan me fi kai hai bang le ikai ko malo APHLC to pini ang karjap thi bang le lamang so lam rat to pini ta munsiam de tribal to a political rights nang chi tribal to a land rights nang chi halasol land right nang chi chok anta pini ani anta student organization mata aning punte labang solam nang itung labang mas hadap sina political right nang tijo pang ke dihe kasan yang cemat hano la solam nang sini li ke kwachini ka sinom kidut si bang ke kene lo na do na san do lo las dingo lo longle no la solar lam ne longle lam ke thana nang kidut lo gan license ta land non langlok so long 5,000 bigha afan napier grass abab ke ye afan council atum anak survey dam lo drone pangjar dam lo halabang so long leke kumane adani afan si tum kipi afan si tum itik pima ambani hasil labang solong letum Census inti alangli cepat dukru penangawan pi labang solang council to reply pi tengok detector penang litan thanta 5,000 bika non lagi itum solar ta dulu he sta non akimi as a survey amelu la samelang solong 5,000 bika ke lake komane a Bihar kan kela along leta kalilo UP ben kelo along lecha kanilo take kardi lapen englong aso temalong lesi bang naga panong pil lake sidul ben naga panong pilong lagi constitution ben naga panong pilong le labang solong leke komana dan yang bali fanle panong pil labang solam nang le anta pipo si la sonang ceman lo
lalo iltum kadu ko beda chini lo karbiang long along le lage fertile pig along le amasi ile tum da karbi tum pusat bisa ke dot pen ame tum methan kachit claim akiti da dum ta do bom no ta do bom claim bom sita government tum people on take long te ke lai hu akiti pineapple hino dak ma fresh pineapple hino ma me besen ke di ente karbi long Assam chief minister jipulo second largest production in India ke pineapple ke Assam state lo pulo almost 80% to 70% of pineapple karbiang long masih supply lo. People pineapple long itu hana ingkur untuk dia. Orange long people long hana ingkur untuk dia. Jaru kiti long, nohok ta itu teglong le. Oh, jaru kiti long itu dah menana review long ni. Dah people itu hana ingkur untuk dia. Hanso, international GI tag long itu non. Hala dah itu hana people long ingkur untuk dia. Lemon di, lada GI tag long itu 2019 ningkan. Bamboo ta itu isonver bamboo dah kali. Cekso tado, ceket tado, lapen hatere tado, arthem tado, varieties of bamboo itu long. Hal hai itu hana people long ingkur pelet ke. Hal hai ekonomi je lagi, heno ekonomi mah. Hal hai lo fresh ekonomi lo. Council revenue dah lah mande fresh revenue lo. Athema hal hai kiti pen make ahok pranta hino ni. Di, kali makalan. People lo sini fresh economy pemain tu kita pudam nang kong hotel. Oh lo kita itu long mio. Lahai hui long le itu mana pacingkur lo tak te itu ekonomi ta itu cingkur porong ta. Council dah revenue long por. Lapen itu ta ahok pranta me isen ji. Sita non ason barni hadalong. Meghalaya long ni ison so lampak lang tu de. Meghalaya long hapu ansong natang lo long de. Non ta environment fresh piglan. People lo ada akeh no industry lele. Industry pollution masih abe. La sinon ta munitum tampo silong tampo non da jacket silong ada. Environment me pig hapu ge ateme industry lele de. Ta barni hat long ke ningkan koke frank ke JJM Nichols Roy tum dak 63 kilo. 63 kilo la bangso 300 ha Bangladesh na supply lo ha USA na supply lo la da ati so gansi sida me hala bangso ho pine ma hiso aeroplane crash pine ma pige lene de le sita continue to me mate continue to the job industry pona re job non ke Barnihat ke one of the dirtiest city town le ange Meghalaya long lang tha cleanliest city malin lo people hada ke cleanliest ke industry lele di lapen hada environment fresh bi han jan han le it hada me na le dong da dam non ta alu da long fresh alu ka tu ko be hada long
long chat ta lo
environment me pik lo pai no le de polo arwe ka lang na ju polo han ki da lang ju polo because arwe ka ta do hara ta ding sam do han ki silang dung de reng re ko da ma thayo polo di ta Barnihat ki non son na li da lo dak non bemar ka duk ko be kiso da kon silong lo di cancer ko mo pine thedum ko kiso da kon silong lasi itum ke landing la hello industry lo gumat ku dengdur re apela ke imithan civil choki kali masadi non Barnihat ta bangir chok lo ini tuh dak pen itu report ke long te ke daina roof ating chikim lo kan te la bang so ating ningkan ini yang padang di wat lap ane dai tinyong si ningkan ini ko wang lap lo te itu heart kidney liver la hai tu organ si kwan si kelas ting ji mati
kan dubok tulang
ini memel ma dilage
kan dubok tulang
lalu
tinggal kantang silakan prote
lalu la si ko penang iki polam lo itu aphan non bangke dak itu kacit tiki hega hormu pangen pati kilong le sita hak company tu han wansi itu kacit tiki bong makiti an ke cewar nang po halas itu claim pinai kuman lo claim pi ke katar sarhan gali nani pan gali tuliram orang pan gali ke claim ke Ramdev baba pan Godrej baba pan Adani baba pan ha tu masih itu claim pi lagi itu kan kimisen gali lo edi itu long le da lukson la kiti claim biji dah tu masih claim biji sok ini dum ciri long dia poke ala si bangan cerai lapu lasi ini dum nason pangke council dum claim chok cek usini dum jong itu non cetanan kok lo Napier pandame amu nang 5,000 bighas pulo lason dak taksi palm oil pandame ni dum darjilong tente 1100 crores of fund Veskar Benglong ke Godrej apan sepilo lapen iskar Benglong ke Patanjali Ramdev apan sepidian lo businte martilo pulo tante company yang si hinge company si East West nang set up lo pulo tante la company itu ke dake Aryan si wangwe alu got hajar labor ciwanji di hajar labor ciwanji la so teng nasel tum dakan doji la bangso labor pan itu plung ni bang piaron bene wan po danon padoko dari kenal lo kan influx ke dogan lo non ata itu minority ke dopo ang heksi bang bong lo tay company nang bikok ke ladaksi aku influx ke wan tu kadi la lasi company pan tipi pente emithan ka chuklem mun jakong pinai rabi blonte karbi tumhan ka chuklem munji tumhan longle to tumhan rab duno pa chuklem mo market ripi duno mesen pe kodang ma products ka pali ning thai rab duno halbang si tum lang duno la
masih non ni lada kasolom masih council tum land mafia kunang kok land mafia ke council tum lo athe mafia komal rong asorum lo chilo ka council no seri deng ji land patta ka salam da council tum long sidoi te non long le ke peita council tum te ahok per land mafia long le ka jor ke council tum lagi pini non tribal tum long le patta Bihar UP pen ke na tum long le patta long are West Bengal Bangladesh le long le patta pire ta ra tum long le ka jor lagi Isilam lo Meghalaya border punoi Lahoijan pu khotkhoti Nagaland border punoi longle ka jor komalo atala council tum jong si ritali pame tum longle jor ha ke komalo longle jor hi ke komalo power do ke council si power do mati lesila bangsol lama ke tum ta munchine ye ahok pet land map ke land dalal ke lage council tum lage direct ngi dagi ahok pelam ke sinon itu silam amen no itu molong imonto bisosarma da pulo gun license kini apply long ya pan ke agos 1 ke sipuhen agos 1 pen ke form long ko posipulo labangso gun license kipi kopia fan lo akini kipi chunai Labang so gun license jong CPF lo tang te himonto bisa sorma ta pen mangke nang li ci ubung nang li failure administration of failure lo pusi nang li panang jong nang kokpo lake sar penang pathan bena gun license koson si pima koson si return di celong na ima lapen kopi bosi gun license pieret po piet nang ji pulang pilo kening je pang dak na hila lap lo tang te dak tere meme ta do itu labang solang mengesar le patana
ni liga senior ting ke non akimi gun license si pinai puke la kidu betum anta gun license do matidi aprang ni pusar pisar tum a hile dure gun pelate hile popano hile a license dure license puseku license dure la sila so a license non aku akimi en tuji nangji po bangke Aki mi enlo de fees ako pinang le po matidi. Hala fees ako ka pipi tuji apansi. Aki mi license en nangji pugi pula. Some government to kabojat la mangi. Mane kabojat pen di tax ako ki en tuji apan la po yan. Aning hang pen pulo tante aro na tengke hala agan ahile ta dolang. Gasemet alam kikit nung gelay lo. Ningkan inkoy rapo ba ningkan inkoy ba apran ilitum hempen hile pon lap lo government do police do disia tum pon lap lo ha mal khana long sidu mal khana ke lake ha district jail ar lo sidu la sa hile he hoi la pen achi klo jon van police atum apan la so hile oiling pasilam atiti kapi mi ver dia pan mamor ka pe chuche de dia pan oiling selam po bivet nanji halai hue hile dolan la pot netum ilitum APHLC pen DC pan lobe pidam ke la pohelo je hala bang so hile non na return to admin ke doan hile na return license ke doan a license non rat atum da akam dolo amethang a license aban a nombor cicini te license a nombor cicini te ni tum APHLC long one it not ni tum bor ipo la license hada a nombor do edia hile long hala bang so hile ka chelong to ya pan atema hile ke poisa ben si nam lo non ta license ke akimi tame baru jong si government dal akimi nang tum envik nangi pone baru endet po seta hile bang hala chelong tu nangi ateme akimi ke tum chunamun enon ke ako hala bang so hile he hoi mesen lang posi wan end de me sida wan tu dan nai ateme hala tum ke hala hile ke itum a family hedi ha ipusar arniken hile hala hoi isi a golpo isi a history do da ning samjin la purkimo do la itu family abang putin adon tin atu hile ke do an atung ke purkimo ta hala hile long ta do hile ke nam long ta a hile long ta do la po si la hile bang ke chelong tu vek nangji na itu rata tum an chi hang tu ne aprang hile ke pon I era ke ar lo ke do tum popine videt na tu bate ar lo ke do tum son chi plan no abdun thavare na po si hile pon non ar lo ke do tum da videt lo ke ante non itu hile ke nangji itu kheti ke chokle ma phan itu innar apareji phak apareji tijok apareji po phan gohar apareji po phan kali seta itu kheti ke claim long ke hile do lo te at least hala phak leng do pik phak leng phan le terrorist ahi abdun hala pu ke wang na tu abdun pru anta hala tu wang we de ji kat ji la pen innar ta la son thak si kat ji la si la ke kheti ke claim phan non ke nang pok neli me thang na neli inglong a rit claim a pot la si neli ta chini lo chu ning ta ni tu neli chu bok ke do an ke chai phak leng si chu det lo athema ke ti hung ya bo upai ve det lo bang aju bang ko nang chu det ti ke ab dia tu da un det lo ab lo ne ab elo ne chini det lo stan ne chini ke jok ta hile ta ve det pot ab long le det lo la pen lung un det lo na si non ne tu ki puke lai do hile an nang return to et nang ji non nang return de det lo te tu ma thame me lai ho hile ante sarkar tum tong ko man ne pan akahe no waching kino do man pidun erloma uda edito ma thamemi lasi no lama ahile lagi nang return to nang ji lapen itumta rat atumta ahile bangai chibi peme nang akahe no akam bangai claim edet nang license bangai baru hala a nomor apra nomor pen pamilai ra aki mila a license en seta chokji mene nang yi pulotante seta ahile bangai senang tu ve ili tu
Si choro lo nam dijot si bangke ang deng lo ulo jan la sila bangke vol indigenous de ke talon si la bangsu kopi posi tum ka talon nang kok ma kopi posi talon nang dek jima la keskimo la so lam pe putar nang lihan si sama si lo ke cing
la ba mo la se dam se de
gun license la
gun license o gun license ma
license
tangan lo data comments lang lo ho tum kaprek viewers tum like nang do tum bom tum do pigyo la song bom pen karbi tum an ke itum ningje ponel hai chini ya la sitame one of our viewers is from NC Hills now de Mahasao. His name is Rituraj de Sangdeo. So Juthai Rituraj de Sangdeo iltum somethong kia topics yipu sita topic ini banglang nang English kan ham sudah no so Rituraj, I will request sir to speak on 2 topic. I'll not be able to cover more than 4 or 5 topics because the time is already constrained. So what he's trying to put is why Karbi language, okay? Extremely sorry for that. Please speak in English or Hindi so that we the people from the Mahasau can also understand. We support the APHLC. We want autonomous state. So you may speak in English in 2 topics. One of them is regarding caste census in short, and number 2 is you can speak. No, autonomous state is okay. Then gun license. This is what we can.
Yes. Regarding caste system, we have heard that the government is going to conduct census from 1st of April 2026. Usually, census is carried out once in 10 years, and it used to be done on the 1st of January. But since in 2021, the government did not do census, so now they are trying to do in 2026 from 1st January. In that census, the important thing, a peculiar important thing is that census will be done on castes. How many are there Brahmin people? And how many Kshatriya? And how many Vaishya? And how many Shudra? They will caste. If we say caste, then there are only 4. There is Chatur Varna. They call it Chatur Varna. And caste was created by Krishna. It can be found out in Bhagavad Gita, chapter 4, verse 13 or slok 13. Caste is created on guna and karma. They say. That is another thing, that detail we will not discuss. But the thing is that caste will be censused from next year. Now, our problem is, in which caste the Dimasa people will fall? In which caste the Karbi, Naga, Khasi, Garo, Boro, and all other Kuki, Mar, Thado, Rengma and all, in which caste will they fall? If we fall in Shudra, then there is a problem. Or not only Shudra, if we fall in any caste, it will be a problem for us. We should not fall in any caste. Brahmin is a tribe. So, it is in anthropological book, it is written, Brahmin is a tribe. So, Karbi or Dimasa cannot be Brahmin. Because one person cannot be 2 tribes. One person cannot belong to 2 tribes. he must belong only to one tribe. So Karbi will belong to only Karbi tribe. Dimasa will belong to only Dimasa tribe. We cannot be Brahmin. Brahmin is a different tribe. It is written that Brahmin tribe in anthropology. Now therefore, if we fall in Shudra, if somebody make a mistake that we are Hindu, when we say that we are Hindu, then automatically the question will come, to which caste do you belong? Whether you are not Brahmin, you are not Kshatriya, because Kshatriya, Brahmin are Aryan people. They have come from Iran. Their appearance, physical feature is very different from Mongolian people. We are Mongolian. Dimasas and Karbis and all other Nagas, Garus and Thadu, Mar, Kuki, everyone is Mongolian people. So naturally, automatically, we do not fall on in any caste. But if we make a mistake and we say that we are Hindu, then we will be compelled to say to which caste do you belong. And they will certainly put us, if we claim that we are Hindus, then they will certainly put us in any of the four castes. One of the four castes. If we are in the caste, then we will not have autonomous council. We cannot have, because that is for tribes, not for caste. Caste people, they have got no race. They have got no jati. Caste and jati are very different. Caste has actually, one Brahmin fellow man has told me, one Brahmin, he is IPS officer, Mr. Bakshi, Haryana fellow. He said that caste has, Krishna has destroyed tribe. There are only caste. So they will put us into one of the caste. If we are caste, then we will not have autonomous council also. We cannot have our own. We will be in the general only. And that also under the foot of the Brahmin people. Because in Manusmriti, this is Manusmriti. This is Manusmriti. You can see here, the Shudra is born from the below the feet of Brahma. Below the feet of Brahma. And who is Brahma? For us, we can say that Brahma is the chieftain of the Brahmin people. We fall under the Brahmin, under the feet. Under the feet. So naturally, if we are in Shudra, they will put us in the lowest place. And we cannot even demand our autonomous state. We will have no right to demand autonomous state. Because autonomous state is only for tribe. Tribe. Yes. That is tribe. And that also previously it is only for hill tribes. Now I don't bother about, we need not bother about hill or plain. We are all Mongolian tribes, whether we are in the plain or in the hills. So this is the problem. That is the reason. In detail we will have to discuss. All the tribes people will have to discuss before discuss and take decision what to do with the caste census, which will begin on 1st of April 2026.
Short on gun license.
And gun license, we are speaking about gun license. The government has said that we must take new gun license. Gun license, I don't know why new should be taken. I think the government wants to take tax again, fees more, to collect more fees and tax to increase, to enable themselves to corrupt more, I think. So they want to collect fees from us. That is why, although we already have gun license, we are asked to take another new gun license. All right. New gun license we will take. We will not oppose so much. We will take new gun license. But what about our guns, which have been taken away by the government? about 30-40 years ago.
Yeah.
It is in the Malkhana of the police, the district administration. The DC used to inspect once a month. The district magistrate used to inspect once a month in the Malkhana. Even if the DC does not inspect himself, one ADC in charge of gun license used to inspect. And it is the duty of the police to oil, to clean the guns regularly so that it will not get rusted. So I know that the guns are already still in the Malkhana. So we demand that the guns should be returned to the licensees. Those who have license, it should be returned to them. We are not going to use for some other thing. It is only for protecting ourselves and protecting our crops. The time is coming for protecting our crops. So that is why we request the government, and we have submitted application to the Deputy Commissioner also to return the guns to all the licensees.
Okay, thank you. That is for Rituras Sandu from Demahasau. So sir has given 2 important points to you, and then keep watching our talk show. Not only to you, and so we would also like to invite the Masa brothers to come and take part in this talk show in future. So thank you so much.
Si non kidutsi dolan, kidutsi mana kene lo, nangni indigenous bangke lagi itu.
Lagi ucap anda contoh.
Si niner ni bangke, itu talon pona alang ni pele thek pen pathana ke talon jilam ba. Notin.
International Day of All Indigenous Day belum ada di. So 9 August si United Nations katame pandak pon lo. Sila so teng pensili tum dak kar beng long kito indigenous doan karbi penseng lo de masa rengma kuki garo tiwa. Kadu ko be keso tum an adewasi la pen Colombia Okomia atum han an tame ni tum chupha pon lo. Sinon kiwanji August 9 ni bangke iltum aning kanwang ason pen pining prekcet katalon konji pansil tum bori pon po sila solong APHLC claim bangku bang pitoan tame dak difuan wan pen lapang suka talon long nanti tong tunji pan ACC committee tin atuman name nilum chop hapon lo LAC tin committee pan name tum chop hapon lo lapen demahasau APHLC committee atuman name tum chop hapon lo lapen dak karbiang long long texer tum pan name nilum Johan pon itu, pen kaprek professional teacher pen senglo kaprek atum tame sagoreng war sai choklem bom tum tame cultural activist tum pan tame social organization do an pan tame women activist do an pan tame nilum lo so wall indigenous day katalon lo nang tum anche tong don ji busin tu chok apon lo lake difu dan nilum social media page lo pen nilum kodak si ke host ponjima halo bang nilum petak pon po la pen pining practice idui bangke nilum nyong si lo tante United Nations Special Reporter alan tum pen isi message ni tum hanji bus ni tum mathapon asni tum bori pon nang tum nyong si iltum kado we ka chapatu pen chunji lo tante United Nations Special Reporter patame live video conference pen tum long so asi arjulong si ni tum mathapon si project pining katolon long kado we rat patame ni tum pen dak pen pin talk show pen dan pachini pon lo tarik lake 9 of August 2025 dat difu mas tu.
Si kado yang kenong tok sunang lang don na jadi include pen energy kiting lang sunang lang don pen aning sidi pon thek pot pen aning sidi pon po abang solam rong arar tu pan pacinem atau kan nang tu pacinem rosining chithelo penang itu man isi nongwe la bang tok so penang suning duni bang kan lo non accord Karbiatum apa ninglong sotum kemisena bang pukumat ma kalau solong si munitum kamathat aja kong kipidunai ma non helopor labang so por jong si nang likidit lo tante mo owe chongke pe tum autonomous state kilong ifantum sulkuni sila bang solang ning chibitu non kelangji apora hut khai reng nangji longri jog nangji pulutante ilitum long dulu sarjai katar apan nang itum mata pamit pen election ke pahi halang tumta jakong cipidu no usi yang tu mana suning rilo kasi labang so aja kong ke lompen ku pitsi ke claim ma project ke laki karbiang long ke long po non ason mente la an sosial ke project non itu thanda bela ham 1951 koson asana teng la mikir ben karbi chola anti parese thanda bela labang si ilitum ke nai bangke ar jadi include pen APHLC to keman ini program 2019 1960 ben keman bangke non APHLC to si pachun po labang so ke pachun along ke nang itum akhir jume nang itum responsibility adolo la sila so akhir jume nang pidunji apasino to machuning rilo si pining we talk so kelam notum asame share lamon anot labang so account on Facebook account on share remote nang tu viewers along po nang tu tangka along po lake nang tu doa nang tu share talk so lang le pu bangai la nang tu tangka along po hala real selam de chak la bang so talk so nang tu damot nang tu lang le pu bangai nang tu viewers la sebat pigi asila reels ke selam tu ana pada le chuning rilo youtuber tu mana chuning rilo la bang so talk so nang tu ta share roi reels mang ke nang tu ang si apra bo nang tu tangkada longpon po sinang tumana chuning rilo si pinang we talk so itum sara phana churolo betum hanse sahona churolo pinang we talk so mesen men rara phana pakla thega po alang tumanda kiro pilo si pinang we talk so ke tum lang le ri chakna kardo